This post is for the guys. If your partner says you're snoring, you're snoring.
He's right.
But have no fear, I have a solution for you, and it's a really good one. Let me tell you more about it. This is SnoreRx. It's a mouth guard that molds to your mouth in under 5 minutes. By adjusting the lower tray forward, it keeps your airway more open while you sleep. Translation, you stop snoring. We tried everything, and it was SnoreRx that finally made our nights peaceful. My husband cleans it with Epredent every night and swaps it out every 6 weeks. And please always talk to your doctor to rule out sleep disorders. But in the meantime, try SnoreRx. It worked for us after everything else failed.